how to connect Mendeley to Google Docs. So if you want to connect Mendeley to Google Docs, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to just go with sign in, which will be in the top right, and then sign into Mendeley. If you don't have an account, you can just simply go and create one. But if you already have an account, just enter your email address and then your information, enter your password, and then register. And once you've created your account, you can go with continue and it will sign you in. Now you just need something to go with download for Windows, and then you need to download Mendeley. After downloading, you need to go back and then open up your Google Docs. You can also search for Google Docs on your website and then just simply go with sign in. And once you've signed into your Google Docs, you need to go with the blank document right here. Once you're there, you need to go with extensions and then go with add-ons. And then click on get add-ons. Once you click on get, now here you need to go with search. And under search, you need to search for Mendeley Citation. After searching, you'll find the option, but don't worry because there is another option for you by using your Microsoft Word. Okay, so once you sign in to your Microsoft Word, you need to go with a document and then go with add-ins, which will be in the top right. Go with more and search for Mendeley right here. For example, there is a one right here. You need to just simply go with add, which will be on the right side, or click on it and then go with continue. Once done, you need to go and enter the citation, and Mendeley will automatically insert the formatted citation into your document. You can also choose your preferred citation like APA, MLA, or any other. Once you have finalized your file, you can just simply go and save it by going to files, which will be in the top left, and then go with save. Or you can also download it as a PDF or ODT. It doesn't matter because you can open that later on Google Docs. So save it and then go with your Google Docs and open it from your Google Docs. That's how you can successfully connect Mendeley to your Google Docs and manage your citations and references seamlessly. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below.
Thanks for watching.